With the Special Forces teams on the ground, it's now down to the ground commander to prosecute the mission and to capture Rivet Counter. Alpha Golf Sunray to Alpha Golf 4 and 5, ceasefire over. Alpha Golf 4 and 5 received, ceasefire. Alpha Golf Sunray to Alpha Golf 4 and 5, launch Pimple Popper, target team of hostiles behind T-72, received. Alpha Golf 5 received, launching Pimple Popper. Alpha Golf Sunray to Alpha Golf 3, you will left flank to objective, set up base of fire onto Nick 1, wait for my signal before moving, received. Alpha Golf 3 received. Alpha Golf Sunray to Alpha Golf 4 and 5, send up mini eyes, over. Alpha Golf 5 received, sending up mini eyes. Alpha Golf 4 and 5, Pimple Popper up. Pimple Popper versus 2 close infantry targets, 4+ to kill 1 of each, 2 rolls. Both targets down. Mini eyes 1, kill confirmed. 2 hostiles, Nick 1, 1 on roof, 1 front door. Mini eyes to Alpha Golf 3, you have hostile approaching your location. Confirm. Alpha Golf 3, contact, wait out. It's never a good idea to blunder into 3 highly trained tier 1 operators. 5 or 6 to kill, 3 dice rolled, as the team is 3, firing at 1. 5, 3, 4, target down. Alpha Golf 3, sit rep, target down. Alpha Golf Sunray to Alpha Golf 3, start push now, left flank. Alpha Golf 1 and 2, suppressing fire. Fire. Alpha Golf 3 moves forwards. Team always moving bounds. One fire team covering the other. Alpha Golf 3, eyes on Nick 1. Taking fire, taking fire. MC on the roof versus the lead member of Alpha Golf 3. 6 to kill, 5 to wound. Wounded. Alpha 3, man down, man down. Alpha Golf Sunray to Eyeball 1. Get me Golf Sierra on target on the roof of Nick 1. Copy. Alpha Golf 5 cutting in. I have target. Engaging. Cal 50. Barrett 50 cal sniper rifle versus PMC. 4+ to kill. Miss. Alpha Golf 5, miss. Eyeball 1, Golf Sierra 1, standby for tasking. Eyeball 1 to Golf Sierra 1. Target, PMC, roof of Nick 1. Weapon, minigun. Running, south to north. Confirm. Golf Sierra 1 received. Target, PMC, roof of Nick 1. Running, south to north. Minigun. Eyeball 1, you are cleared hot. Golf Sierra 1 received. Starting attack run now. Minigun versus PMC. 5 or 6 to kill. Miss. Golf Sierra 1, no kill. Golf Sierra 1, re-engage. Golf Sierra 1, miss. Re-engaging with minigun. Miss. Eyeball 1, light him up. 2 rounds, Hydra 70, received. Golf Sierra 1, received 2 rounds, Hydra 70, engaging. 2 rounds, Hydra 70, 4+ to kill. 6 kill. Alpha Golf 3 to all Alpha Golfs. Ceasefire, target is surrendering. Say again, target is surrendering. Alpha Golf Sunray received. Alpha Golf 3 Delta, push forwards, take control of target. Alpha Delta 1, push forwards along right flank. All units received. Alpha Golf 1 received. Alpha Golf 3 Delta received. Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground now! Throw your weapon on the floor! Get down on the ground now! I surrender! I surrender! I surrender! Alpha Golf 1 approaching Nick 1. Alpha Golf 3 Delta, have target secure. Alpha Golf Sunray received, target secure. Muse 1, Alpha Golf Sunray, get me Medevac now. Alpha Golf Sunray to Alpha Golf 3 Charlie, casualty report please. Alpha Golf Charlie, Cat 1, need Medevac now. The Medevac has arrived to evacuate the casualty. The village is secure. Alpha Golf 3 Charlie confirms the target is Rivet Counter. Alpha Golf 1 secures Nick 1 and prepares to clear the house. The exfil process will now begin.